For centuries, our ancestors have lived in harmony with nature. We are one with earth, fire, water, and wind. The sap of the trees runs through our veins, and the wild spirit of the jungle lives inside us. The stars guide us to our home, a place where to coexist in balance with the environment in its purest form is true luxury. Wake up and live in a natural sanctuary of millenary wealth, a privileged space of captivating beauty. Take a deep breath. Immerse yourself in the colors of the lagoon. Let yourself be seduced by the intimacy of the jungle. Get inspired by landscapes full of magic. Live intensely. And make your heart beat every day.